Okay, so today I've got the LG dishwasher. The pipe has, this is the outlet pipe, the drainage pipe has cracked. Taken the covers off top, bottom, and on the other side. But I'm still got a problem in the sense that I've got to, there, if you can see the pipe is right there, so we got to take this guy off, and to take it off you basically got to take that off. You got to turn it, and then that will pop this off, and then you can have access to that pipe there. You've also got to look at, there's two clips at the bottom here that you got to press in and then push that clip inside, and then you can get the pipe out. Alright, so if you use a long nose, you turn that out, it will come out, and then you have this where you now have access to that pipes at the bottom. Alright, as you can see, that clips in there, and once you take it like that, you can even see there's another crack there. It could have just been now, but this is very brittle. So now it's just a question of taking a long nose or pliers and then take this guy off here. Alright, as you can see, that clip is, I pushed the clip in, and it's basically, this is a clip that needs to come out, and and then the pipe basically will come out